It is February. With temperatures below zero during the nights, the garden turns into this beautiful frosty landscape. The plants are covered with ice crystals, creating beautiful textures, emphasizing the shape and backbone of the garden. The flowers of the violas are drooping, but as soon as the temperature rises above zero, their flowers will rise too and continue flowering as if nothing has happened. I love these quiet frosty mornings with only the sound of the great and blue tits. And also the flowers of the hellebores are drooping. It looks a bit sad, but they will be perfectly fine when it gets warmer, as you will see in a minute when I'm going to cut back their leaves. I will also show you how I protect my Agapanthus during these cold nights. Hello and welcome back to my garden. We've had some cold, frosty but dry days, and with the sun peeking through so every now and then, I'm really eager to get back into the garden again. But there are not that many jobs that can be done at the moment, so I have to be a little bit patient. But one of the jobs that can be done at the moment is to cut back the leaves of the hellebores. Now, some of the hellebore flowers are starting to open up, and I will show you that in a minute. But the leaves from the hellebores are quite thick and have a rough edge, and if the wind blows, that can rub against the flowers and might damage them. So that's why I'm going to cut them back, and also I think it looks nicer and I get a better look at the flowers. I must admit that I don't like to see the bare soil, so I think I will be adding some ivy around the base of the plants later this year, like I did between the boxwood. This is a double flowering hellebore named the white ball. And this is another double flowering variety in a beautiful pale yellow tone named Xanthia. Over here I have lots of more hellebores, and there are some flowers but you can barely see them. They're here between the leaves, so I'm going to cut back these leaves as well so that I can enjoy the beautiful flowers. This is another double flowering variety named Double Allen Pink. If you want to see more of my hellebores, I made a few videos about them last year. I will add a link in the video. Of course I will show you more of them in the coming videos as well, when they start flowering a bit more. Last year my hellebores had some issues with a fungal disease, and I've treated them with sulfur. So far I haven't seen any signs of fungi yet, so fingers crossed it worked. As you can see, the hellebores between the boxwood have completely recovered from the frost. The rocket that I've sown in October is growing slowly but steady. Unfortunately, I lost quite a few plants because of mice. They have been digging in the soil and dug up some of the plants and they died. So that's also why I keep my peas still covered. So I've sown these a few weeks ago. Most of them germinated, while peas can cope quite well with cold, so they don't need any protection. But yeah, because of the mice, I still keep them covered, just to be sure. I don't want to take any risks. Now, also here I have sown some flowers. These are called, if I pronounce it correctly, matracaria. It is a chamomile, not the wild one, but these ones I use for cut flowers. For tonight they forecast frost again, so I've protected my Agapanthus. I wrapped the pots with a little bit of bubble wrap and I've insulated this little polytunnel with a sheet of bubble wrap as well. And now I'm going to place as extra protection this little sheet of polystyrene. I'm just going to place it up here. Another one here, and then for some extra cover I use this old blanket. So this will keep them nice and warm and protected against the frost, and tomorrow morning when the temperature rises above 0 again, I remove all the cover. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll end this video with some bloopers. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Hope to see you next time. With temperatures around 0 and below 0 during the nights. But ik weet het niet. Leaves of the Hellebores. And there was an auto, altijd feestelijk. Not too bad, denk ik. Not too bad, not too bad. The rocket that I sowed in Sowing, they can cope with Toen was er weer een vliegtuigje. So tonight they forecast. Pas ik er überhaupt op? Ik kan het überhaupt niet zien hoe het erop zit.